Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV, and as promised, I am back with the comparison video of this beautiful Chanel clutch with chain and this Chanel walk. So we will talk about the practicality and functionality of these purses, and we'll also do a mud shot at the end, and we will look at the aesthetic look of both purses, so you'll be able to see if this clutch with chain is for you or if this Chanel walk is for you. So let's get started. So let's look at the aesthetic of this walk, and I've got this in lipstick red in gold hardware, and let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks like inside. It has one big compartment here, 6 card slots, and it has another zipper compartment here which goes all the way down, and then it has this slip pocket here and a zipper compartment here, and then another slip pocket here in front. If you are about organization, then this walk you will be able to maximize the space. However, I don't really use this small spaces as it gets too bulky if you put a lot of stuff inside. And I love this magnetic closure because before it has like a push lock closure, and I love that they come up with this, and they also did this flat zipper pull. So before it has a different zipper pull that it has an indentation here. So now with this flat zipper pull, it's kind of minimized the indentation here on the side, and at the back it has another slip pocket. So both are in caviar leather, and let's look at this clutch with chain, and this clutch with chain is in baby blue color, and it's also in caviar leather, and it has a gold hardware, and at the back it looks like this. It has no feet at the bottom, and this is nice that it can extend it out like this, and inside 2 here at the back and 2 here in front. So basically both of these purses are like clutch with chain. So now let's do the comparison of these purses. Both has this stitching all the way on the sides to reinforce the durability of the bag, which I love, and both has the same width from bottom to the top, which is good as you can maximize the space of the purse. However, here has bigger opening here, which can extend when you close the bag, while this one, it has a little limitation when you close the bag. So when it gets bulky, it's hard to really close the purse because of the smaller gap here. This is 2,500 retail now, while this is 2,100 US retail. But when it comes to the logo, this one has a bigger logo, and I love that it has the same turn lock logo as other expensive Chanel flaps, while this is in magnetic closure and it has a smaller CC logo in front. And inside, if you're gonna put stuff inside the walk, we're gonna see if it has the same capacity. So I'll put Chanel O case inside, and then we'll put this 2 lipsticks here at the sides, and let's find out if it can fit here in front. So it's already stretched out with a mini O case, a card holder, and 2 lipstick, and let's see if it closes. So it does close, but you can see that it really stretched out the flap of the purse. Let's find out if this will fit it in here. And let's transfer this mini O case and this card holder and 2 lipsticks. Looks like this. So if it fits basically the same except that at the back you can put your cell phone here. It will fit a cell phone here. So let's try this iPhone 10 case. If you will squeeze it in, your cell phone will gonna fit here at the back, and it will be like maximize the space. However, on the walk, it will not fit. So I will say that this clutch with chain fits more, as it fits the cell phone at the back. So practicality wise, I can say that clutch with chain is more practical than the walk, and it is 400 less than this. And also, I love the aesthetic look clutch with chain with this Sternlock logo in front. And I also love this grommets here on top, where it has the chain, as it looks the same as the other mini flaps. So I think with this kind of look of the purse, it is similar to the look of the typical Chanel flap when it comes to the closure and the look of the chain on top. And if you're gonna ask me which one is a better buy, for me, for a grab and go bag, I can say that this clutch with chain is a better buy for me, as price wise it is lesser, and also the look is better in my opinion with this big CC Turnlock logo. And I also love that it can fit the cell phone here at the back. So if you are wearing also jeans all the time, this baby blue color also will complement any jeans that you will have. While if you're gonna think of this lipstick red color, this is more like better in formal occasions. So what do you think of this, guys? Are you for the clutch with chain look or the walk look? Both are beautiful and elegant in their own way, but practicality wise, I love this, and I love this a little better with the aesthetic look of the purse. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this two purses. I will compare this with my Louis Vuitton purses, so you'll know what does it look like side by side with a practical Louis Vuitton purse. Please do like this video and subscribe in my channel so we can talk more about handbags. And thank you guys for watching. Stay safe everyone, and stay tuned for the mud shots, which we will do right now. Bye!